If you've ever felt knee pain while climbing stairs or experienced stiffness in your legs after walking for just a short while, then you're not alone. Joint pain, weak legs, and muscle fatigue are some of the most common problems as we age. And while exercise and stretching can help, what we eat plays a powerful role too. One of the most important nutrients for strong joints and healthy legs is collagen. Collagen is like glue in our body. It holds our skin, muscles, tendons, and joints together. As we grow older, our natural collagen production starts to slow down. This can lead to joint pain, reduced mobility, and even a feeling of weakness in the legs. But here's the good news. Certain foods can help your body boost collagen levels naturally. These foods are easy to find, delicious, and when eaten regularly, they can help you feel stronger, more active, and reduce discomfort in your joints and legs. In this video, we will talk about the 8 best collagen-boosting foods that can naturally strengthen your joints and legs. You'll learn how each food helps your body, how often you should eat it, and tips to include it in your daily meals. Let's start with the first one. 1. Bone broth. Bone broth is one of the best natural sources of collagen. It's made by simmering animal bones and connective tissues for several hours, sometimes up to 24 hours. This long cooking process breaks down the bones and releases collagen, gelatin, and amino acids into the broth. These nutrients are incredibly healing for your joints and connective tissues. Bone broth is especially rich in type 2 collagen, which is the type of collagen found in cartilage, the part of your body that cushions your joints. Drinking bone broth regularly can help reduce joint pain, improve flexibility, and even support muscle repair. You can drink 1 cup of bone broth daily, especially in the morning or before bed. You can also use it as a base for soups, stews, or even while cooking rice and vegetables. If you don't have time to make it at home, there are good quality store-bought bone broths available. Just make sure they are free from additives and preservatives. 2. Salmon. Salmon is not only a great source of protein, but also packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats reduce inflammation in the body, which is one of the main causes of joint pain and stiffness. But what many people don't know is that salmon also supports collagen production. It contains zinc and vitamin E, 2 important nutrients your body uses to create collagen. Omega-3s also help keep the joints lubricated, reducing friction and pain while moving. Plus, salmon is rich in astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin and joints from damage caused by stress and aging. Eating salmon 2 to 3 times a week can be very helpful. If you don't eat fish, you can get similar benefits from omega-3 supplements or from plant-based sources like flax seeds or walnuts. But if you do enjoy seafood, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent choices to support your joints and legs naturally. 3. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete and nutritious foods you can eat, and they are also powerful when it comes to boosting collagen. While eggs themselves don't contain collagen, they are rich in nutrients that help your body produce it. For example, egg whites are full of proline, an amino acid your body uses to make collagen. The yolk contains healthy fats, vitamin D, and biotin, all of which support joint health and skin repair. Another reason eggs are great for your legs and joints is their high protein content. Protein is essential for repairing muscle tissue, building strength, and reducing recovery time after physical activity. If your legs feel weak or you experience cramping, it could be a sign your muscles and joints aren't getting the nutrients they need. Adding eggs to your diet can help fill those gaps. You can eat eggs for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. Try hard-boiled eggs as a snack, or add them to salads and wraps. If you're worried about cholesterol, studies show that eating 1 to 2 eggs a day is safe for most people. They are affordable, easy to cook, and full of joint-supporting nutrients. 4. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, limes. Citrus fruits are packed with vitamin C, and vitamin C is absolutely essential for collagen production. Your body cannot make collagen without it. Vitamin C helps convert amino acids into collagen fibers that support skin, tendons, ligaments, and blood vessels. If you're not getting enough vitamin C, your joints may feel stiffer, and wounds may take longer to heal. In addition, citrus fruits are rich in antioxidants, which fight free radicals, the unstable molecules that damage cells and speed up aging. When your joints are exposed to inflammation and oxidative stress, they can become stiff and painful. Citrus fruits help combat that damage naturally. To get the most benefit, try to eat at least one vitamin C-rich fruit daily. You can drink freshly squeezed orange juice in the morning, add lemon slices to your water, or eat a few segments of grapefruit after meals. Kiwi, strawberries, and papaya are also good sources of vitamin C if you want to mix it up. 5. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Berries are small, but they are one of the most powerful superfoods for collagen support. They are loaded with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which protect collagen from breaking down. These antioxidants also help reduce inflammation in the body, which means less pain and swelling in the joints. Berries also contain vitamin C, which, as mentioned earlier, is key for collagen formation. What makes berries stand out is that they have a double benefit. They protect existing collagen and help the body create more of it. This makes them ideal for anyone dealing with aging joints, leg pain, or even issues like arthritis. You can add berries to your breakfast by mixing them into oatmeal or yogurt. You can also blend them into smoothies or enjoy them as a light snack throughout the day. Frozen berries are just as good as fresh ones and often more affordable. Just make sure they don't have added sugar. 6. Leafy green vegetables, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Leafy greens are a powerhouse when it comes to supporting your joints and boosting collagen. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are loaded with vitamin C, chlorophyll, and antioxidants, all of which play a major role in protecting and producing collagen. Chlorophyll, the green pigment in plants, has been shown to increase the precursor to collagen in the skin. That means the more leafy greens you eat, the better your body becomes at creating its own collagen. These vegetables are also rich in magnesium and vitamin K, which support muscle function, bone strength, and blood circulation, all vital for keeping your legs strong and reducing stiffness or fatigue after standing or walking. Try adding leafy greens to at least one meal a day. You can blend spinach into smoothies, sauté kale with garlic, or include greens in soups and stews. The nutrients in leafy greens work best when eaten regularly, so making them a daily habit is key for long-term joint support. 8. Nuts and seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds. Nuts and seeds are full of healthy fats, zinc, vitamin E, and amino acids, all of which help your body build and protect collagen. Zinc is especially important because it helps the body activate the enzymes needed for collagen creation. A zinc deficiency can actually slow down your body's ability to heal and make new tissue. Vitamin E, found in many seeds like sunflower and pumpkin seeds, is a powerful antioxidant that protects existing collagen from damage. Meanwhile, the omega-3s in walnuts and chia seeds reduce inflammation and keep your joints well lubricated, so they don't rub against each other painfully when you walk or move. You can snack on a small handful of mixed nuts during the day or add seeds to your smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt. Chia seeds also work great in overnight oats or chia pudding. Just be careful with portion size. Nuts and seeds are calorie-dense, so a little goes a long way. These last three foods, leafy greens, garlic, and nut/seeds, round out our list of the top 8 collagen-boosting foods. When you combine them with bone broth, salmon, eggs, citrus fruits, and berries, you create a complete nutritional plan that not only supports collagen production but also strengthens your joints, muscles, and bones from the inside out. How to use these collagen-boosting foods effectively. Now that you know the 8 best collagen-boosting foods to support your joints and legs, the real question is, how do you make them a regular part of your lifestyle? In this final section, we'll go over daily habits, food combinations, timing, and practical meal ideas that help your body absorb and use these nutrients in the most effective way. Make collagen-rich meals part of your daily routine. Your body doesn't store collagen, so you have to give it the right building blocks consistently. The key to success is not just eating these foods once in a while, but making them part of your daily or weekly meals. Here's a simple guide on when and how to include each food throughout the day. Morning. Breakfast idea. Start your day with a smoothie made from berries, a handful of spinach, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a splash of citrus juice, like lemon or orange. You can also enjoy boiled or scrambled eggs on whole grain toast with a side of sliced oranges. Why it works. This combination gives you protein, vitamin C, antioxidants, and omega-3s all in one meal. Exactly what your body needs to kickstart collagen production early in the day. Afternoon. Lunch idea. Make a salad using leafy greens like spinach or kale, topped with grilled salmon, chopped walnuts, and lemon vinaigrette. Add a slice of garlic toast on the side for flavor and extra sulfur. Why it works. This meal supports joint function with anti-inflammatory omega-3s, zinc, vitamin C, and healthy fats. Evening. Dinner idea. Have a warm bowl of bone broth soup with chopped vegetables and shredded chicken. Pair it with a whole grain wrap stuffed with roasted garlic and greens. Finish with a small bowl of fresh berries for dessert. Why it works. Bone broth provides direct collagen, while garlic, greens, and berries help your body protect and produce even more. Best combinations for maximum absorption. Vitamin C plus collagen foods. Always pair collagen-rich foods, like bone broth or salmon, with vitamin C sources, like citrus fruits or leafy greens. Vitamin C activates collagen production in your body. Healthy fats plus fat-soluble vitamins. Nutrients like vitamin E and K, from greens and nuts, are fat-soluble, meaning they need a little healthy fat, like olive oil or avocado, to be absorbed. Sulfur plus amino acids. Combining garlic with high-protein foods like eggs or bone broth boosts your body's ability to form strong collagen fibers. How often should you eat these foods? Consistency is everything. Here's a basic guide to how often you should aim to include each food. Bone broth, 3 to 5 times per week. Salmon, 2 to 3 times per week. Eggs, 4 to 6 times per week. Citrus fruits, daily. Berries, 3 to 5 times per week. Leafy greens, daily. Garlic, daily if possible, 1 to 2 cloves. Nuts and seeds, small portions daily or every other day. These aren't hard rules, but following this rhythm can help you get the most out of every bite. Bonus tips to strengthen your joints and legs. Stay hydrated. Collagen needs water to stay elastic and flexible. Drink enough water daily to support tissue repair and joint lubrication. Get moving. Light weight-bearing exercises like walking, stretching, yoga, or resistance training stimulate your body to produce more collagen and strengthen the muscles around your joints. Avoid excess sugar and ultra-processed foods. These can break down collagen and lead to inflammation, making joint pain worse over time.